Welcome back. My name is Norma Acosta with Mommy's Designs, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing and testing a few products. And what I decided to do, since it's a few products, I am 61 and I feel like we don't need as much anymore, so I'm going to be doing like an everyday makeup that you can get done in 5 minutes or less. And what I'm going to do in the description box, I'm going to be adding the links of all the products I'm going to be using. I already applied my foundation, so that's already done. And the first step that I'm gonna do, and forgive me because I have this mirror because I need glasses, so I'm gonna be referring to my mirror once in a while. The first thing I do is I add these two-tone, and I use it as an eye color as well as my blush. So I'm only gonna grab the dark right now, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it just like if I'm applying blush, just the dark. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the other side. It doesn't have to be in any specific way, just back and forth, side to side, and that's giving me already some color on my eyes. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab both colors, so I'm gonna be rubbing right in the middle to grab both, and I'm gonna be doing my blush. Okay, and then I'm gonna be doing this highlighter, and I'm gonna be applying it under my eyebrows, just slightly there, and I'm gonna be rubbing it with my fingers. Then I'm gonna go in here to give it a little bit of shine. I feel that this is personally, I feel like we don't need as much shine. I feel like it makes me look older, and I'm already 61 years young, so always young, always young. Okay, to add a little bit of brightness in your eyes, you have to touch it up because otherwise it looks like it looks thick. Okay, and I'm going to use a little bit of this around my lips, a little bit here, then I'm going to touch up, and that's all I'm going to be using for the highlighter here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a eyeliner, and this is an ink eyeliner. I have been using ink liner for many years, so for me it's very easy to apply. So we're gonna add not a very thick layer of it. I don't longer go too much outside my eye for the same reason that I feel that that's more for young people. And I'm always, I don't know if it happens to you. Why don't you write in the comments if it also happens to you that usually one side is easier to do than the other. For me, I'm a left-handed, so this side is easier for me. Okay, so that's my eyeliner. I did a treatment with my eyelashes, so I don't need to make them curl. So right now I'm gonna let that dry, and in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add, this is like a eyelash primer. So I'm only gonna do one coat of that. And remember, I'm gonna be putting everything that I'm using in the description box, so that if you like the way it looks, you can go grab it. Never go in and out in your mascara because that creates air into it and it dries quicker. So always just go in once and out. The primer helps to make your eyelashes bigger, since I have very tiny, so I like to use the primer. And then when I'm gonna let it dry, so in the time that I let it dry, I'm gonna put my lipstick. So when you do the primer, you make your lashes bigger, and also it helps you so you don't have to put too many mascara layers. I basically probably put one, and that's about it. Okay, this lipstick is gonna stay on all day. It's gonna dry up a little. So all we need to do is do our eyelashes. So I'm gonna go over only one time, one coat. See how much it increases my eyelashes, the size of it. I mean, for me that's a lot because I have such a little small eyelashes. Let me turn this way so you can see. It makes them much bigger, and I really like that. Okay, so if you ask me, my eyelash probably got longer 2 times more than the original length. So this is my everyday makeup. So now the final thing to do is to go ahead and spray a finish spray on my face and let it dry so everything settles. So let me know in your comments what you think. Go check out the description box so you can see the different products that I use. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. That encourages me to continue to make more videos for you. Have a blessed day and talk to you soon.